This is my rendition of Danny Boy. This is especially for my friend Jim, who's always loved it when I sang Danny Boy. Oh, Danny Boy, the pipes are calling from glen to glen and down the mountainside. The summer's gone and all the roses falling. 'Tis you must go and I must bide. But come ye back when summer's in the shadow, and when the valley's hushed and white with snow. 'Tis I'll be there in sunshine and in shadow. Oh, Danny Boy, oh, Danny Boy, I love you so. But if you come and all the flowers are dying, and I am dead, as dead I might well be, you'll come and find the place where I am lying, and kneel and say, an isle there for me. And I shall hear and find the place I'm lying, though soft and tread above me you shall be. And then my grave and you will be above me. Oh, Danny Boy, you'll say a love just hold for me. Oh, Danny Boy, oh, Danny Boy, I love you so.
Yay! Yeah!
Sir!
Yeah!
I'm in my best voice.
Wow, man, that was
The
great.
night that I sang, remember the night in Austin?
Oh God, that was beautiful.
That night.
That was a night.
That was
a
the
great
night right
Yes,
there.
that
I
was a
sang
beautiful
Danny Boy. I had the whole house brought down.
night. That was beautiful.
I brought it out and
No,
I
that was
laid it on
beautiful.
it.